Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Bitpanda. So let's get started right away. If you haven't logged out from your account on Bitpanda on any device, then open up the web browser within which you have not logged out. You can then type in bitpanda.com in the address bar and press enter, which will then take you into the Bitpanda homepage. Now from this page, if you click on the login button at the top right corner, this will directly log you in since you have not logged out from your account, and now you will be taken into your home page. Now from this page, in order to log out, tap on the account icon at the top right corner, and now this will open up the account menu. From this page, tap on logout at the bottom section, and this will log you out from your account on Bitpanda right away, and you will end up back into the login portal. If you wish to log back into your account, you will need to enter your email address and your password once again to log in and access your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Bitpanda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.